Yeah, things are starting to get a little weird again, right? We've got a chance of severe weather. We've got heat, the extreme heat out there. And we've also got meteorites falling from the sky, so things are starting to line up to create sort of a weird pattern. Today, the heat index is going to rise up to 104 degrees yet again today. That's going to continue, although it is noticeably cooler this morning than it has been over the last couple of days. Mind you that it's still hot, but we're not waking up to temperatures in the upper 70s to near 80 like we were the past couple of days. And we've also got a chance of severe storms. Not as bad as they were the last couple of days, but still the chance is there, and that's to be expected any given day. It's hot and humid in the summertime. It's 8:27 right now on your Friday morning. No rain is showing up, nor any cloud cover on the visible satellite. It's sunny skies all over the Carolinas. For the first time this week, we don't have a heat advisory in effect. That's usually saying that the heat index is going to get over 105 degrees or 108 degrees in some locations. We do have a heat advisory up in east central North Carolina and back into Tennessee, but for the forecast area here, no heat advisory is in effect for the first time this week. It's still going to be hot. Temperatures are going to rise into the mid-90s this afternoon, and we're going to see the heat index get about 10 degrees warmer than that. And notice the winds are out of the south at about 5 to 10 miles per hour, so we're going to continue to draw in more humidity. And the storm chance isn't really going to be there until afternoon. So after 3 o'clock is when we're going to see the storm chance begin to increase. The best chance of this happening is going to be in the upstate. So we'll take a look at the future radar and the Storm Prediction Center outlook here in just a few minutes. It's only 8:30 in the morning. Look at how the heat index is shaping up to be. It's already 88 in Cheraw. This is the feels like temperature, and it feels like low to mid 80s for the coast and the Midlands, upper 70s in the upstate. It's going to ramp up fast because 4 o'clock in the afternoon, the predicted heat index is around 102 for Columbia and Rock Hill, and other areas seeing 100-degree readings like Florence, for example. People that don't see the heat index in the lower 100s will see heat index values get up to the mid to upper 90s. So it's going to be hot everywhere you go. Even the mountains are going to see heat index numbers get close to 90 degrees. 8 o'clock this afternoon, that's when the best rain chance is going to roll in, and it's going to start from west to east. And the way it's been the last couple of days is the storms tend to pop up where the most instability is. So what happens is the instability dies out where the thunderstorms are, and then they jump to another area that has instability. So they're kind of popping up and jumping around. That's going to be the case in the upstate later on this afternoon and tonight. And that probably won't make it any further south, say into the Midlands or into the PD. So it's going to be mainly areas north of Interstate 85 this afternoon that see the best chance of seeing heavy rain. And with that, there is a marginal risk, a level 1 out of 5, a marginal risk of severe weather for most locations in the upstate, including Greenville, Spartanburg, Anderson, and also Rock Hill. That thunderstorm chance will continue over the next few days. The risk of severe weather is going to go down after this afternoon. Temperatures will remain into the mid-90s. Heat index will remain in the mid to lower 100s. And that pattern continues towards the end of next week and into the weekend. We start to cool down a little bit towards the end of the week. We start to see low 90s return to our forecast. But every single day over the next 7 days, we're seeing a daily chance of afternoon and evening thunderstorms.